Good morning. Today, shall we begin with a small question? Can you say which is the fundamental basic unit of all living organisms? Can anyone give me the answer? Cell. Yes. Today we are going to learn the structure of a cell. Okay? So we will be studying about the important structures inside a cell. Now see, every cell, you have a look at the slide the same day on the models, okay? Every cell is externally surrounded by a boundary made of membrane. That external boundary of the cell is called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Clear? So the first structure is cell membrane. And what is its role? Its role, one of the role is to separate the cell from the neighboring cells. So what is one of the role? Separating the cell from the neighboring cell. The same time, it is a partially permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane, and it controls the substances which are entering inside or leaving out of the cell. All substances are not allowed to come inside, or all substances are not allowed to go out. So that is the second role of cell membrane. Next to cell membrane, the most important cell structure inside a cell is the nucleus, right? So which is the most important cell structure? Nucleus. This nucleus is composed of thread-like structures. Those thread-like structures in the nucleus are called chromosomes and are made of DNA. This DNA are responsible for controlling all the biochemical or metabolic activities inside a cell. So what is the role of nucleus? One, nucleus is the most prominent structure. It is made up of DNA, and the DNA controls all metabolic reactions. Hence, the nucleus is called the controlling center of the cell or the brain of the cell. So, nucleus is the brain of the cell. Okay. Next to nucleus, another cell structure which may be found inside the cell is mitochondria. This mitochondria is another important structure. It is involved in cellular respiration. So what is the role of mitochondria? Cellular respiration. By doing cellular respiration, it helps in liberating energy that are required for the cell to function. Clear? Hence, the mitochondria are called the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. Nucleus is the controlling center of the cell or the brain of the cell. Then, apart from this mitochondria, every cell is also provided with some structures which are smaller in size comparably and are figure 8 shaped. Those figure 8 shaped structures are called ribosomes. What are they called? Ribosomes. These ribosomes, they are involved in protein synthesis. So what is the role of ribosomes? Ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. Let's have a fast conclusion. See, a cell is externally or outside it is surrounded by a membrane called cell membrane, and towards the center it is having the nucleus which controls all the functions of the cell. Apart from that, every cell will be having mitochondria. They are involved in cellular respiration and in providing or producing energy required for the cellular activities. And the ribosomes, they are mostly involved in the production of or in the synthesis of proteins. Let's have a fast evaluation about this. Right? See, here an image is being given, image of a cell, and you are asked to label the structures, you are asked to name the structures labeled A and B. So can you say what are they? See the answer. A is the cell membrane and B is the nucleus. Then let's go to one more question. See, here you are asked to draw a diagram of an animal cell and label the parts nucleus, cell membrane. Then you are provided with another question to match. Here see at side A it is given the cell structures, and at the other side it is given with the roles played by the cell structures. You can match that. Okay, thank you all of you.